Well, hey everybody, welcome in. Thank you so much for joining us, or joining me. My name is Tom, and I'm an old prog head, as the title of the video and title of the channel suggests. And this is my very first video. This is my first ever reaction video. I am a child of the 70s when all of the greatest progressive music, progressive rock music was being made. Stuff like Genesis, Yes, Kansas, Pink Floyd, Rush, so many others, so many more to name. But that was all of my favorite music, and to this day, it's still some of my favorite music that's ever been made. I still listen to it regularly. After probably the mid 80s, I didn't really pay any attention or didn't really realize that there was any prog rock being made still. I've come to understand that there actually has been some prog music being made. So I wanted to discover that. I wanted to explore it and see what I liked, see what I didn't like, and figured I'd invite you all along on the journey. So I hope you join me. If you like the content of this video, if you want to see more, please comment. Please also subscribe, like the video, and also hit the notification bell. So when I drop another video, you'll be notified. So, and also comment down below any songs maybe that you'd like me to react to, groups, songs in specific, or any comments on the video or anything I have to say here in this one. So for my very first video, because I didn't know what to react to, and again, I don't know any of the new prog music, I just Googled a list of the best prog songs since 1990. And just coincidentally, there happened to be a website called progreport.com that has a list of the top 50 modern prog rock songs since 1990. It actually ended in 2015, so it's a little dated there, so nothing really recent. But that's where I went for my list. And what I did was I took the top 20 off the list. And by the way, I'll put a link to that list down in the description here. But I took the top 20 off that list, or I took a randomizer on my phone, 1 to 20, came up with number 17. And that song is The Sound of Muzak by Porcupine Tree. And it just worked out perfectly in this particular case because that song happens to be under 5 minutes long. A lot of the songs on that list were pretty lengthy, some of them over 20 minutes. And I didn't want to do something that long for a very first video. So I'm going to react to this Porcupine Tree song. And again, comment down below anything about the group, anything about the musicians. I don't know anything about them. I've never heard any of their music or any of the other groups on that list. I know some of the other big names out there, like I've heard of Dream Theater, but I just honestly don't know any of their music. I'm sure I'll be reacting to some of their stuff at some point, and there are a lot of other groups on that list, so I'll definitely be reacting to a lot of that. But again, for my first one, it's Porcupine Tree by The Sound of Muzak by Porcupine Tree. And hey, let's just jump right into it and see what we think. I like the odd timing there. I like the way the bass really kind of kicked in more there. Nice vocals. I like the orchestration under there in that chorus part as well. Yeah, I like that. I really like that orchestration underneath there. That's nice. Solo. Good tone on that guitar. Really nice. With like that little kind of acoustic break there. Is that like a vocal way back in the mix there? I have to figure out what they're saying there. All right. Really nice. I enjoyed that. Again, being kind of a shorter song, I didn't have time for a lot of kind of movements and time changes and things of that nature. But solid piece. Like the guitar work. I like the guitar tone. Cool snare tone on it, as I mentioned. Like some of that orchestration kind of in the mix there in the background, especially during the choruses. Good solid start from Porcupine Tree. I appreciate that. I like that. Definitely will be something I will listen to again. All right, so let me know anything else that I should listen to from Porcupine Tree or any other groups in a similar vein. Anything off of that, if you go check out that, again, ProgReport.com, that list of the top 50 modern prog songs since 1990. Check that out. Is there anything on there I should definitely check out? And comment with anything else. And please, again, subscribe, like the video, comment down below, hit that notification bell. I appreciate you guys all checking it out. Who's ever checking in here, glad to have you. Hope to have a lot of you here along with me on this journey as I discover some of this new prog music. So appreciate that a lot. So shout out to first responders, current military, former military. Appreciate everything you do. Thank you so much for your service and everything you do for us. Remember, the only rule you need is the golden rule. Have a great day.